Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the Casio WS-1200, an interesting fishing gear model with 100 meters water resistant, large and colorful LCD background, LCA, and a large size case. You can check the review in the link below. Reviewing this model made me curious about its predecessor, the WS-1200. So I ordered one from Amazon, variant code 3AV, and now let's unbox it. It came in this carton box. Here is the watch inside with a plastic stand. It says fishing timer, moon edge or moon phase, 10-year battery, and 100 meters water resistance. Here are both watches side by side. The WS-1200 looks much slimmer than the new model. Let's take a closer look. The case and display looks great. Here is the timekeeping mode. Next is the fish level and moon phase mode, where the fish level is shown on the radar-like graph. Then we have the stopwatch, the timer, and the alarm mode. It has 3 alarms and hourly signal. Lastly, there's the dual time mode. Now let's check if the dual time has the hour bug like some of the WS-1200 units. Turns out it's fine, no problem with this mode. Here is the backlight, only on one side but bright enough. And here's the front view. And here's the backplate. Now time for a wrist check. It looks more proportional on my wrist. The texture also looks great. And I think this is the best looking resin band for a non-G-Shock in my collection. Okay, that's all for the unboxing video. I will make a detailed review soon, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and see you again in the next video. Have a great day.